Welcome to Water Myth Wednesday. To celebrate National Water Quality Month, we're busting common water myths each week in August. This week's water quality myth: I can play around in flooded streets after it rains. It's only rainwater, it's not going to hurt anything. I get it. It can be tempting to hop around in the streets when they're full of water after a big old rainstorm. There's nothing better in the heat of summer, right? But that water is full of bacteria, parasites, and diseases that can make humans and pets really sick. In a natural habitat, when it rains, most of the rainwater is intercepted by trees or allowed to infiltrate the ground. When it rains in developed areas, that water falls on mostly impervious surfaces, or surfaces where water cannot infiltrate the ground, like parking lots, driveways, and buildings. Instead, it flows over the ground, collecting pollutants as it goes downhill. This is called runoff. Eventually, that runoff collects in areas with poor drainage, becoming a flooded area of polluted stormwater. Stormwater is full of whatever pollutants, bacteria, trash, and other contaminants runoff encounters. Anything you see on the side of the road or in a yard when it's dry has the potential to be picked up by runoff when it rains. This includes things like pet waste, fertilizers, pesticides, gas and oil, and trash. Sewage systems can get overloaded when it rains, so sanitary sewer overflows or septic system failures can lead to raw sewage getting taken up by stormwater. The dark, murky water can hide hidden dangers like glass, curbs, or metal scraps. This can lead to nasty infections if you get hurt in stormwater. Pets encounter the same dangers as humans in stormwater. Worms, other parasites, and diseases can be transmitted in floodwaters. E. coli, fecal coliforms, and giardia are also commonly found in stormwater. Each one is dangerous to humans and pets and can make us very sick. The best way to stay safe around floodwater is to prevent it and stay out of it when you can. Do your part to keep ditches clear of debris and blockages like construction material, leaf litter, trash, and sediment. Keep storm drains clear of debris as well. Clean them off when you can. If you can't avoid stormwater, stay safe. Wear tall boots if you have to walk through it. Walk slowly and avoid any splashing. Once you're in a dry area, wash yourself and your pets thoroughly and keep an eye on any cuts or sores for signs of infection. Stormwater collects pollutants as it flows across the land. Floodwater is a collection of those pollutants like garbage, sewage, and waste. You wouldn't swim in sewage. Don't swim in floodwaters. I'll see you next week for our final Water Myth Wednesday.